Ask My Instructor 7.4.37. The owner of a clothing store understands that the demand for the shirts decreases with price. In fact, she has developed a model that predicts that at a price of X dollars, she can sell D of X shirts in one day. It follows that the revenue, which is total money taken in, will be X price times D of X demand at that price. So just to recap, X is the price of one shirt in dollars. D, demand, is in response to the price. R, revenue, will be the price times the demand. And it's better to rewrite that revenue function and then just clean it up. Just put the 60 out in front. Alright, so this is our revenue function. It's the number of dollars per day taken in when the shirt costs X dollars. So the question becomes, what price should the owner charge to maximize revenue? We're going to find the critical points of the revenue function and take note of the fact that price, X, is greater than or equal to 0. So take the derivative, and to do that we're going to use the product rule. So the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. Take those derivatives and then clean it up. Now let me show you what I did to clean that up. I factored out the e to the negative x over 70, and I also factored out a 60. So that's my derivative of my revenue function. And the rate of change in revenue per day as price changes is R prime. So we're looking at how revenue changes with respect to price. The rate of change function, R prime, is defined everywhere for X being greater than or equal to 0. So to find a critical point, we're going to set the derivative equal to 0 and solve for X. So where is this product equal to 0? Well, the exponential never equals 0. E to the negative x over 70, e to any power is going to be positive, strictly positive, always greater than 0. The negative exponent just means that it's going to be a small number. So the only way for this product to equal 0 is to have 1 minus x over 70 equal to 0, which happens when x over 70 equals 1 or x equals 70. So we only have one critical point at 70. So let's look at our derivative before and after that critical point. Before the critical point, the derivative is positive, which tells us that the revenue function is increasing. After x equals 70, the derivative is negative, telling us that the revenue function is decreasing. So the critical point, x equals $70 per shirt, is where the maximum revenue should be. Just to recap, revenue is increasing until the price reaches $70 and then starts to decrease. The best price to maximize revenue is $70 per shirt. Take care. Have a great day.